Hi everybody, TJ here with Dynojet. Today we're going to introduce you to our new Power Commander Delta, which is our piggyback tuning solution for these 21 and newer Can-Am Maverick X3 RR models. So let's get into it. From what you'll receive in the mail, all the way through how to install and how to use the app on this vehicle. So let's get into it. This is the box that you'll receive in the mail. It will contain your Power Commander Delta. Check out this new box. And then the harness. So if we want to get a quick overview of all the connections we're going to be making, feel free to lay your harness out on a workbench and it'll kind of walk you through the process. The harness only goes in one way and it's front to back. So this connector here, this is going to be behind our OEM gauge cluster at the front of the machine. We'll follow our wiring connector down to the accelerator pedal connector. So this is your pedal. That'll be the next connection you make. This next chunk here, this is actually what the Power Commander Delta plugs into. And you'll be making that connection and then stowing this behind one of the kick panels near your pedal or near your shifter, Velcroed inside there, nice and tidied up. The rest of the harness continues. As we mentioned, we have a 2-seat version and a 4-seat version. This product supports both. So you 2-seat guys, you'll end up with a little extra here compared to a 4-seat guy. And then all the way after we go through the firewall, these are our 3 connections at the back of the machine. First one will be our throttle inlet pressure sensor here, the 3-pin. Next up is the T-map, our 4-pin here. And then all the way at the back is our speed sensor, this 3-pin triangular sensor here. So, rough install on this. Step 1, remove your driver's seat. On a 4-seater, you're gonna remove both the front driver's side seat and the rear driver's side seat. So we, of course, on a 2-seater here, we've just got the 1 seat to remove. So next, you're gonna remove the kick panels that are in between the seats that run from the front to the back that cover up all the wiring harnesses in between the seats. Next, you're gonna remove your OEM gauge cluster panel right here. So this 4 little screws, pull that off, and then this just pops out of its location. Here's gonna be our first connection. Right here on the back, you simply pinch this connector, pull it out. Connect the Power Commander Delta to this connector, and then click this back in place. Begin routing the harness downward to the pedal. You can even reinstall the bezel with the 4 screws. Route the harness downward towards the accelerator pedal sensor. We will connect in line between the accelerator pedal connector from the OEM harness and the Power Commander Delta. From there, you can actually install your module right about in this area, even behind this panel. Use our Velcro and dual lock and zip ties to get this all tidied up. And then your Power Commander Delta can effectively sit right in this area. Then route the rest of the harness all the way to the back of the machine and poke through the firewall. Just follow all of the OEM wiring loom. Very easy to find. There's a large access hole where they all run through in factory form, and then route those up and inboard of this CVT cover. Our next connector here will be the throttle inlet pressure sensor. So you'll unplug that from the stock harness and plug in our connector in between that sensor there. Continuing back just a little further is that T-map sensor right here in front of the exhaust, where you can make this 4-pin connection. And then all the way at the back is the speed sensor. It's a 3-pin gray connector with a little rubber sheet over it. You can unplug the stock one and plug in our harness. One there. Make sure it clicks securely. And then the other side as well. So there you have it. All right, so now we've got your Power Commander Delta installed. Zip ties are in all the right places, and we've reinstalled every component we may have removed. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll walk through how to use the Power Commander Delta app. which is really the core of what makes this product excel, is an app-based tuning solution for your Can-Am X3 RR. And until next time, stay tuned.